Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy tutti frutti cake. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 180 grams of butter, 295 grams of wheat flour, 90 grams of raisins, 90 grams of tutti frutti. The recipe on how to make this tutti frutti is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check out this recipe. A half a teaspoon of salt, 4 medium large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, or you can use an orange zest, 140 grams of sugar, and lastly 80 milliliter of milk. So the first step, you're going to take a medium bowl and then you're going to add 90 grams of tutti frutti and 90 grams of raisins. Like I said, the recipe on how to make this tutti frutti is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check out this recipe. Once you're done, you're going to take a medium plate and place the tutti frutti and the raisins on a plate. Then add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour and mix them well. This is to make the tutti frutti and the raisins to become more dry. And it's high time to make our cake. You're going to take a medium large bowl and add 180 grams of butter and 140 grams of sugar. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Using a hand mixer or an electric hand mixer, you're going to mix these 3 ingredients until they're nicely combined. After 5 to 7 minutes, your mixture should be light and fluffy like this. The next step, you're going to add the 4 eggs. Add 1 egg at a time. Do not add the 4 eggs at once. You're going to add 1 egg, then mix and continue with the other egg until you're completely done with the 4 eggs. Then pour 80 milliliter of milk and mix for approximately 30 seconds. The next step, using a sieve, you're going to add 295 grams of wheat flour, a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and sieve into the bowl. Using a spatula or a wooden spoon, mix all the ingredients to prevent the flour from spreading all over. Then take your electric hand mixer and mix until everything is nicely mixed. The next step, I'm going to take a grater and I'm going to grate the lemon zest to get approximately 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, or you can use an orange zest. Then take your electric hand mixer and mix for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Lastly, you're going to add the Tutti Frutti and the raisins. Make sure you remove the flour out from the Tutti Frutti before putting the Tutti Frutti and the raisins into the batter. Then using a spatula, you're going to mix the batter very nice. And our Tutti Frutti batter is ready, as you can see in the video. You're going to take a baking pan and spray some baking spray, or you can apply some oil. Then afterwards, place a baking sheet at the bottom to avoid the cake from sticking at the bottom. Once you have prepared your baking pan, you're going to place the batter into the baking pan. Once you're done, using a spatula, you're going to spread the batter evenly and bake it in a preheated oven, or you can bake it without an oven, that's up to you. Place the cake in a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes to 60 minutes until your cake is nicely baked. After 50 to 60 minutes, you're going to insert a toothpick in the cake, and if the toothpick comes out clean, then your cake is ready. Remove it from the oven and let it to cool down completely before removing it from the baking pan. Once your cake has cooled down completely, you're going to serve the cake on a plate and cut your cake into medium pieces. And our soft and tasty Tutti Frutti cake is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this cake, it's super tasty and super soft. Enjoy with a cup of milk or tea and enjoy your Tutti Frutti cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.